Hey, my name is Patrick, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn a Snowcone into an industrial edge gateway and connect secondary sensors to your Sitewise instance. So all we need for today is obviously a Snowcone. One IO-Link master from IFM, in this case, has 4 ports for additional sensors, and we're going to use a vibration sensor as well from IFM for testing. We also have a OPC-UA server that simulates a bit of data running on the machine right next to me. So all of this is going to be connected in just a few minutes to Sitewise. Now let's jump into it. So first of all, let's have a look at Ops Hub right here so that we make sure that we're actually running this on the Snowcone. So this is my Snowcone device. I have one instance running. I can go in here. It's also named CloudRail.OS. It has a public private IP of 192.168.2.195. Now, what I'll do is quickly show you that our container is actually running on that device. So I'm SSHing onto it here and quickly printing Docker container list. Perfect. Now, as you can see, our container is actually running on the Snowcone that we tell you that it's running on. So let's see what it is doing when we head over to our management cloud. Now, here we are in our device management cloud. So this is the place where I can configure all of my devices, so CloudRail boxes, as well as, well, the Snowcone I just created here. As you can see, I get the same kind of information from the Snowcone as I would get from a regular CloudRail box. So I can see if it's online or if it's offline. I do have the firmware version 2.0.6 as we saw before. Now, let me go ahead and create a new connection here into Sitewise. Okay, so once I'm here, I can select if I want directly connected sensors or an OPC-UA server. So for this demo, let's first go with the directly connected sensors. So as you can see, the Snowcone has been able to discover the IO-Link master that I connected to it with the 4 different ports. Now let's screw in a vibration sensor to port 2. Perfect. So as you can see, it's already picking it up right here. I can go ahead and create a new connection here. I want to read from it, and I set an interval of, let's say, 1 second for now. I go to the next step. I select IoT Sitewise, and let's choose Snowcone as an asset path, and this is vibration. Okay, and let's hit create. So in the background, it will automatically get a schema for the vibration sensor and create the model and the template for this specific sensor on Sitewise. Create my Snowcone asset if it's not there yet, and attach that vibration sensor as another asset to the Snowcone asset. So this might take a little while until it's completed. So yeah, perfect. That's it. Let's quickly wait and see what we're getting. So basically what it tells me right here on the device management cloud is exactly how the data will look like. So I can see a bunch of data in here. These are just samples. Now let's head over to my Sitewise portal right here. So right now it's not there. So let me refresh here. And here you can see this is my Snowcone asset, and I have vibration down here. So I also get data right away. Not all of it is sending proper data, like device status is just a string, so it's not any useful information. So I do see this. Now let me hit this vibration sensor a little bit. So right now it's on the 0-point-ish values, right? So let me hit it on the desk real quick. And yeah, as you can see, it picks it up rather quick, and I have this impact spiking right here. Okay, so that's nice. We have the vibration sensor connected. We already see some data right here. Now let's add another asset to this device. So I go back to my box and hit new connection. Now I want to select OPC-UA right here. I already have an OPC-UA server running on my machine, so this one's already configured, but usually what I do is I just enter an IP address and a port for the OPC-UA server and select where it's present. Now, here we can already take my simulated conveyor belt from the OPC-UA server. Again, I want to read from it in an interval of, let's say, 1 second again. Okay, let me go next and select sideways again. I still want this under my Snowcone path. Give it a name, conveyor belt, perfect, and hit create. Now again, same story. I'm creating the model in the background, or we are creating the model in the background based on whatever the OPC-UA server tells us this object contains, right? All the variables, all the tags that are within it are going to be added right here. And again, this takes a bit of time until they're all created and enabled and all that. So yeah, but that's done right now. So again, I'm getting the same output here. In this case, it's just 3 simulated values. So an input counter, an output counter, and a conveyor speed. Okay, again, let me head over to my portal right here. Now I can see, again, Snowcone, and I have the vibration sensor still here, still sending data. And I also now have the conveyor belt underneath. And yeah, as you can see, also this is sending data for all the available inputs that I have. Yeah, so now I could go ahead, create a new project, select the Snowcone, and create a dashboard out of the data if I wanted to. But yeah, I think this is good enough for the time being. Now, this was a short introduction and demo of how you could connect a Snowcone to IoT Sideways using our CloudRail.OS. Thanks for watching.